good girl in his dream world. I ain't talking about Ken when I scream folk. I'm his hood girl in his hood world. Get the bag and I stuff it like a good girl. I stay low key, you don't know me. Make him back for the pussy like a Roxy. Make him pop on a nigga like Rocky. When we off the juice, I'm in stock.
Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna go ahead and pull my intake up. I had pulled it up previously because I wanted to see if it was a flat tappet or if it had been converted to a roller, being that it's a 69 block. But I was supposed to change my gaskets at the time. I didn't have them with me. Got them with me today, so we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of.